much, Ryder from All Things Automotive. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're all having a fantastic Friday so far. Today, we're going to take a look at this 2021 Jeep Compass Limited in a Jazz Blue Pearl Coat exterior. I would like to mention that this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX with one previous owner. And it isn't any normal Jeep Compass. It does have the Sun and Sound Group as well as the Quick Order Package 2GG. But before we get into all that, let's go ahead and walk around, show you some features, advantages, and benefits to own this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, the first things you're going to take notice of are these halogen headlights. You'll also see that Jeep grill-like logo engraved right there in the center. Go ahead and zoom in on that so you guys can take a quick peek at that. And as I come down from that, you are going to see the running halogen fog lights with that beautiful black and silver trim. And as we come up here to the middle, you are going to take notice of that black row insert with that black and silver trim staying consistent. Finally, here for the front end, take notice of that chrome Jeep logo. As we make our way to the side, let's go ahead and take a second to look at these wheels and tires. As you can see, they are going to come with beautiful 18-inch aluminum wheels with the painted accents, as well as the 225/55 like new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here at All Things Automotive. A couple other things to be pointed out here on the exterior as well. On the back of your mirrors, you are going to have the integrated turn signal indicators, that beautiful Compass logo right there on the side. And if we come around here to the front side of the mirror, you are going to have the blind spot monitoring indication there up top, and they are heated, so don't ever worry about them getting frosty in the wintertime. On your door handles, you are going to have that proximity sensor, so as long as that key's in your pocket, you press that button, it'll lock and unlock. While we're over here, let's go ahead and take a look here at the interior as well. As you guys can see, it's going to come with a premium black leather interior with some of this beautiful brown stitching running down these sides and that Jeep logo engraved right there in the middle. As we turn around here to the dash, you are going to have a black dash finish up top with that staying consistent down below on your glove box. We'll get to the glove box in just a moment, but I do just want to point out as well this glossy black trim running along all of your air vents. Like I said though, let's go ahead and drop this glove box, grab the inspection sheet out for you guys, show you guys the tire depths as well as the brakes. Now on this specific Jeep Compass, your tire depths for the left and right front are going to be 9 and 32 seconds, with your left and right rear being 7 and 32 seconds. Brakes in the front are going to be 16 and 32 seconds, with your rear brakes being 13 and 32 seconds. Here in the back seat now, as you guys can see, that beautiful interior is going to stay consistent back here as well with that brown stitching. If we take a look here behind your driver and passenger seat, you are going to have a USB port as well as a max 150 watt outlet, not to mention your own individual air vents. And if we take a look here at your middle seat, you are going to have a pull-out center console that does come equipped with 2 cup holders. Making our way to the rear now, don't ever worry about backing up into anything in this vehicle because you are going to have parking sensors as well as a backup camera for all of your added convenience. While we're back here, let's go ahead and pop this trunk for you guys, show you guys how much space there actually is. And as you can see, these Jeep Compass Limited do have plenty of space back here to haul luggage or groceries or anything you guys can possibly think of. Making our way to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it is going to come equipped with power mirrors, power windows, power locks, and 8-way power folding seat adjustments with lumbar support. Hopping on in now, we're going to go ahead and start up for you guys in just a moment, but before we do that, let's take a quick peek here at your key fob. As you can see, you are going to have your typical lock and unlock, but you also are going to have the remote start as well as your Panic SOS sound system. Like I said, we're going to go ahead and start up for you guys with this beautiful push button start. And you're going to get a nice little start up there on your middle and driver display from Jeep. But I want you guys to also take notice that this vehicle is going to come with just over 43,000 miles. And there are plenty of features here on the interior, so let's go ahead and show you guys every single one of those. If we take a look here behind your steering wheel to the left, you are going to have all of your headlight adjustments with your automatic headlight setting. Not to mention the brightness to your driver display as well as some overall ambient lighting. The left knob behind your steering wheel is going to be your high beams, low beams, and turn signals. Right side is going to be your front and rear windshield wiper adjustments. The left side is going to be your middle display as well as your touch to talk down below. And on the right side, you're going to have your cruise control up top with your adaptive cruise control right below. Making our way over here to the middle, you are going to have an 8.4-inch LCD touchscreen display that does come equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, and as I mentioned previously, it does have a backup camera. Now, accompanied by this 8.4-inch LCD touchscreen display, you are going to have Alpine stereo system for great sounding experience here on the interior. Now, if you don't want to use that touchscreen display, like I said, on your steering wheel, you have some manual options as well as some manual options located down here below. To go through a couple of these other options, you are going to have your four-ways, your parking sensors, and your lane assist there. The climate control right there at the touch of your fingertips. All of your different drive modes, a USB port, an auxiliary line in, and a 12-volt plug-in. You're going to have your beautiful shifter knob with your options for manual shifting, your traction control, your parking brake, and your automatic off and on, 2 cup holders, and a large center console. To end off the interior features of this vehicle, up top you are going to have lighting options for both your driver and passenger, as well as the option to open and close your panoramic moonroof. Taking a look underneath the hood, you'll find a 2.4-liter multi-air engine pushing 180 horsepower. And you'll also notice that our engine bays come extremely clean and very well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you can find. Here in the front, you are going to have a couple of your small typical stone chips. Like I say in every other video, the only way to avoid these is to keep a garage kept its entire life. However, I will mention the only other imperfections that I can find on this vehicle is some slight bug residue that is left behind from caked on bugs here on the back of your mirrors, as well as a couple of small scratches here on the passenger side door. All the wheels and tires are in extremely good condition on this vehicle. No curb rash on any of them. Even coming around here to the rear, typically you would have some typical trunk scratches, and the only imperfection back here is this slight scratch right there on your trunk. Making our way back down the driver's side of the body, great condition on this side. You are going to have a slight imperfection here on the driver's door handle. Other than that, this is an extremely clean 2021. That's all I have for you guys today on this beautiful 2021 Jeep Compass Limited. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, options 1 for sales. Go to allthingsautomotive.com or go ahead and stop on out at 21518 Gray Cove Road in McCollumsburg, PA. If you want to see more amazing vehicles just like this one, hit that like and subscribe and make sure to turn push notifications on as well. Have a wonderful Friday, guys.